The California sun beat down on the bustling city of San Jose. A young engineer, Maria Rodriguez, gazed out her office window. She dreamt of a future where the journey from the Silicon Valley to the crashing waves of Santa Cruz was a simple train ride away. No more traffic jams on Highway 17, no more wasted hours. Maria envisioned a tunnel that would burrow beneath the mountains, connecting these two worlds. It was a bold vision, a daring dance with nature. But Maria knew that California was a land of dreamers and doers. She shared her vision with anyone who would listen. Politicians, investors, fellow engineers. At first they scoffed. Impossible, they said, too expensive, too risky. But Maria persisted. She knew in her heart that this tunnel could be more than a dream, it could be a reality. Years passed. Maria's vision slowly gained traction. The impossible began to seem possible. Finally, the day arrived. The project was green-lit. They called it the Coastal Connector. A marvel of modern engineering. The heart of the project was a gigantic tunnel boring machine, a mechanical mole of epic proportions. It was christened El Topo by the construction crews, a nod to the machine's relentless digging. El Topo was a sight to behold, a symphony of steel and hydraulics. It ground through the earth with the power of 1,000 horses. Day and night the work continued. Slowly but surely, El Topo inched closer to its destination. Building the Coastal Connector was not for the faint of heart. It was a constant battle against the forces of nature. Earthquakes threatened to shake the tunnel apart. Underground rivers tested the engineers' ingenuity. But the human spirit is nothing if not resilient. For every challenge, the engineers found a solution. They reinforced the tunnel walls with steel and concrete. They diverted rivers and pumped out floodwaters. It was a delicate dance between man and nature. Through it all, Maria never lost faith. She oversaw every detail of the project. Her dedication was an inspiration to the entire team. They knew they were building more than just a tunnel. They were building a legacy. After years of tireless work, the Coastal Connector was complete. A ribbon-cutting ceremony was held. Politicians gave speeches. Children released balloons into the sky. It was a day of celebration. Inside the tunnel, electric trains whisked passengers between San Jose and Santa Cruz in record time. Electric cars zipped along dedicated lanes, their headlights cutting through the darkness. The air was clean. The ride was smooth. It was a new era of transportation. The Coastal Connector was a resounding success. It slashed travel times, boosted the economy and reduced carbon emissions, but it was just the beginning. Maria had her sights set on an even grander vision. Section 5, the Silver Streak. Across North America, a new dream was taking shape, a dream of a high-speed rail network that would connect the continent from sea to shining sea. They called it the Silver Streak. The Silver Streak would be a marvel of engineering and logistics. It would span thousands of miles, connecting bustling metropolises and sleepy towns. It would be a steel artery pumping lifeblood into the heart of the Americas. The Coastal Connector was just the first piece of the puzzle. Soon, construction began on other sections of the Silver Streak. From the skyscrapers of Seattle to the sun-drenched beaches of Panama City, the dream was becoming a reality. Section 6, a tapestry of cities. The Silver Streak was more than just a mode of transportation. It was a catalyst for growth and connection. Along its route, new cities sprang up, existing cities flourished. People and ideas flowed freely. The journey on the Silver Streak was an experience in itself. Passengers marveled at the ever-changing landscapes. Deserts gave way to mountains, which in turn gave way to lush forests. It was a tapestry of nature's beauty, woven together by the threads of human ingenuity. The Silver Streak became a symbol of unity and progress. It broke down barriers between people and cultures. It fostered understanding and collaboration. It was a testament to the power of human ambition. Section 7, Whispers of Doubt. Despite its success, the Silver Streak was not without its critics. Some questioned the environmental impact of such a massive project. Others worried about the cost, which had ballooned into the trillions. There were also logistical nightmares. Acquiring land rights for the rail line proved to be a Herculean task. Coordinating construction across multiple countries, each with its own laws and regulations, was a constant headache. Maria and her team faced these challenges head-on. They implemented environmentally friendly construction practices. They negotiated tirelessly with landowners and government officials. They knew that the stakes were too high to fail. Section 8. A new dawn for travel. Despite the challenges, the Silver Streak pressed on. Year after year, more sections of the line were completed. The dream was becoming a reality, mile by mile. Finally, the day arrived. The last spike was hammered into place. The Silver Streak was complete. From the icy peaks of the Canadian Rockies to the vibrant streets of Buenos Aires, the Americas were connected. The impact was immediate and profound. Travel times plummeted, trade flourished, the economies of the Americas boomed. The Silver Streak ushered in a new era of prosperity and interconnectedness. Section 9. A continent united. The Silver Streak became a symbol of hope for the future. It showed what could be accomplished when nations worked together towards a common goal. It was a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of progress. As Maria stood on a platform watching a Silver Streak train speed off into the sunset, she couldn't help but feel a sense of pride. Her dream, once dismissed as impossible, had become a reality. The Americas were united. The future was bright. The Silver Streak was more than just a rail line. It was a symbol of what humanity could achieve when it dared to dream big. It was a legacy that would last for generations to come, a legacy that would forever change the face of the Americas.